Oh my god. What the hell is this doing? Well, 1 minute now. 5 minutes. It's stupid. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the live. Currently making some trades on gold, XAU, USD, 5 minute time frame. It was dropping, looking like we're getting a little bit of a pullback. I do think this is going to continue down though. The 20 just crossed the 200. Hey Jasper, what's going on? We'll see. Miriam, what's going on? Mr. Grinder Motivation, what's up? Taman, what's going on? Thank you guys for joining my live. Appreciate it. So I'm currently watching gold right now. Looks like it's getting a little bit of a pullback, but I do expect it to continue down. Now I'm watching my range bars here as well to let me know which way the market is going. It is one of my indicators. Hey, greetings from the Netherlands. Awesome. Hey, welcome. I love to see people from all over the world. Absolutely cool. Part of this, being able to talk to people from around the world is awesome. And to trade with them on top of it. I mean, that's just pretty cool. We can all make money together. I mean, you can't beat that. Oops. Pardon me, sorry. Let's see. So we're watching a 5 minute time frame right now on gold. Looks like it's reversing. I'm trying to catch a drop back down, as I think we're going to continue dropping, not going back up. It does have to cross 1902. Looks like that is the resistance support line, excuse me, right now. So 1902 is what we need. I'm going to draw this down, 1902. Right there. Why gold and not BTC? Well, why not gold and BTC? I can always do Bitcoin as well, but Bitcoin's, oh, Bitcoin looks like it's going sideways right now. Yeah, it's running up, but it may, turn and go back down. Is it better? No, it's not better. I trade gold, I trade Bitcoin all the time too, especially on the weekend. Every single Saturday, Sunday, I trade Bitcoin. But during the week, I like to trade US 30. I trade gold, USD, JPY. And all these are on here too. These are part of my range bars, cryptos, indices, stocks, and Forex. So I have my USD, JPY. My stocks are during the week, which I kind of stay away from. I don't really trade them. Indices, I trade gold. And then cryptos, I trade Bitcoin. Because the rest of the weekend, everything else is closed. Forex is open, I think, Saturday or Sunday. But everything else is closed. The stock market is closed during the weekend, right? So I trade Bitcoin. I could trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, LTC, USD, and XRP. I do have these as part of my range bars. Hey, Donnie, what's going on? Is it difficult on the weekend? It can be difficult on the weekend sometimes. Yeah, it just depends. Some weekends are better than others. But definitely, yeah, it has its days where it's flat and there's not a lot going on. Yeah, no volume. That's exactly what it is. Yeah, it looks like we're just getting this little bit of pause and a pullback here. I'm trying to see if we can catch more of a drop here for sure. Azacast, what's going on? Kirk Alert, what's up? Mario Man, what's happening? Well, we got one like. If you guys can, since you're in the room, if you could hit the like button a couple of times, I would appreciate that. It does help my algorithm out. So I talk to people more about risk management and stuff. Part of being on here is, as I said, is risk management. Teaching people to use stop losses when they're trading. Also putting using 1 to 2% of their account, treating it like a business. Hey, thanks for the rose. I do appreciate those. So, you trade safely every single day. Eventually, you get enough capital and get good enough, you can do it from home and you don't have to go to work anymore. Hey, yeah, thanks for all those roses. Do appreciate it. That's what I'm slowly trying to do here. It takes time to learn like anything else, but once you understand the pattern of it, and you follow the rules, then it's not that hard. Part of that is using my range bars here, because these move off points and not times. So they're not like the rest of the market down below where it's zigzaggy. There's stuff all over the place, right? You want to be able to just have a nice, clean view of what's going on, and that's what these range bars do. You're looking for red going down and then green going up, or green going up and red going down. But the key here is the red and the green reversal. That's what you're looking for. That's what helps you make your trade. So you want to catch it on a reversal, and each one of these bars are worth 15 points. So when I do my trades, it's 50 to 100 points. Still no millionaire? Hey, it takes time, sir. It does take time. You can't become a millionaire overnight. I am trading with a smaller account, and I can't do that. I can't become a millionaire with a small account. It takes money. So in order to do this and become full time at it, you need probably at least 50 grand in your account, to where you can be making hundreds of dollars every single day doing this, and then you wouldn't have to work anymore. But until I get to that point, I still have to go to work, which I start back at work next week. I've been off for 2 months I had a shoulder surgery, so I've been off, and I've been on here doing lives every single day, twice a day. But that's fixing to change, and since I'll be going back to work here really soon. So, but it's been definitely been a good learning experience, and I learn more every single day about myself, about the market, how things move, all that kind of stuff. No, I'm sure it's all good. Let's see, what is this doing? Looks like this is trying to go back down here. So I'm going to put a small trade in on this on gold. And we'll see how this plays out here. Again, you want to put stop losses in. You want to always do that like right away. Just in case the market goes against you. What? You don't have a big budget? It doesn't take a big budget to do this. It really doesn't. My account right now is actually $70. It was over 100 earlier, but I had missed a big play, and so now I'm down. But that, again, it doesn't take a lot to start, and a lot of people don't understand that you can learn and train with a small amount of money and get good at it. You can always do what alerts is. I'm not on MetaTrader. I'm definitely not using MetaTrader. I'm using TradeXN. That's the name of my broker. See, TradeXN. So I'm currently right now I'm in a trade with gold shorting at the moment. This is TradeXN right here, and then up here is not MetaTrader. These are called range bars. Is my website. This is not MetaTrader. Behind that, behind all my, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't have any MetaTrader up. Oh, the ding? Oh, I have another app running, but yeah, that's not this here. I'm actually in a conference call with somebody else that's using MetaTrader, but it's that's not what I'm using here. This isn't part of my trading. Yeah, these are just range bars, and then here, yeah, you might have heard audio, but that's me talking to somebody as part of my Discord. Let's see. Yeah, what's up with the banks? Yeah, it's totally crazy right now. I know. The only other thing that I had open was this, and this is TradingView. It's not. Maybe that's what you're talking about, but that's the only other thing I did have open is this. But that's not Meta 4. That's TradingView. Yeah, because that's what you're talking about. I'm like, there is no MetaTrader up right now. Anyway, yes, I use this too as part of my as part of what I'm doing. So I do like to watch it as well. There are a lot of indicators on here that I use to help me with my trading. So we are trading right now with gold, shorting at the moment. I thought it was going to go down here, but it's kind of pulling back up. I do use the 20 and the 200 EMA as part of my trading strategy. Um, and it's showing the 20 underneath the 200. So I do see this continuing down. The PSAR is showing down as well. And then my range bars were showing red as well. So we are getting a little bit of pullback. I mean, that is normal. So we'll see if this does continue. Hey, bud, can you mute your mic? I'm in my live. Uh, anyway, yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, so we're watching gold right now. I do trade crypto stocks, forex, and indices as well. I do like trading Bitcoin, USD, JPY, US 30, US 100. Those are my typical goes-tos. A lot of these are all here on these range bars as well. Hey, Bongwater, my brother, what's going on, buddy? Trying to catch a decent trade here on gold right now. It's not going currently in my favor, but we do have a stop loss in place just in case, and we'll see how this continues. Yeah, I've been kind of on and off. I was off for a few days, taking a break. How you been? How's trades? I did just want to jump on here for a little while, see what was going on with the market. Since I'm trying to catch a trade in gold, I did have a trade earlier. It was pretty good. Um, but we'll see. We will see how this continues. Chef Maddie, what's going on? Welcome again to my live. Yeah, it looks like it went flat. Well, it's after 1 o'clock, of course. So the market just closed. Maybe people are switching over to what they want to use to trade. You're up 50%. Very nice. That's awesome. OB liquidity sweeps, FVGs. Yeah, I don't know what that. I'll write it down, but I don't know what that is. What is it? Liquidity sweeps, FV. No indicators, nothing, just that. Oops. FV. Oh, GS. Oh, I see. Order blocks. Yeah. Oh, OB order blocks, right. Oh, fair value. Oh, I see. Fair value gaps. Thank you. I can be dumb sometimes. Fair value gaps. Fair value gaps, right. Yeah, I'll check that out after the live. Yeah, we can always do that. I don't care whenever you're up for it. What the hell happened? I just hit my I got knocked out of that trade. Boo! What the heck, man? It's okay, whatever. So the way it goes again. That's why you put stop losses in place, because you never know what your trade is going to do. You think it's going to go one way and then it doesn't. I used the 20 and the 200 EMA. They are usually pretty good about making some major moves. I mean, if you look at this last one, let's see. Where did it even cross? Right here. So this one crossed and it went up, bounced off, and bounced off. Did it bounce? This last one, did it bounce off? Oops. Yeah, bounce, bounce. Off, 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 off. Bounced. Then it just crossed. That one maybe just a little. It touched it and then just continued up. I mean, it's all profit. And then it came back down. Now it's all being crazy. It's look, in, out, in, out, in, out. Now it's back down again. So I'm trying to catch this down and really ride this thing. Oh yeah. What? Oops. What company are you thinking about going with a funded account? I'm gonna try and jump back in this again. This thing has got to go down. It's just crazy. I mean, I already bounced a couple of times here. Yeah. I'm gonna jump back in this again. I don't think this is done going down. Oh yeah. Okay. Try number 2. Alright. Let's try that again, shall we? Hey everybody, how's it going? Again, I'm trading gold right now, short position. I am able to trade crypto stocks, forex, and indices. I'm using TradeXN is the name of my broker. And then I'm using my range bars here up top. That's what you see. They move off points and not time. And they quiet the market. What you're looking for is just like reversals from red to green or green to red. Each one is 15 points, so you're looking. What's going on? Hold on a minute. Oh. You're just looking for that reversal. Is what you're trying to catch. Yeah, a bong water. Yeah. You really gotta be careful with those because there's a lot. They're just gonna take your money. They're gonna put you under a lot of pressure, and you're not gonna make anything. So you've got to find a good company. I talked to one guy. He came on my live yesterday. He talked. He said he turned $10 into like 4.5 million, which just cracks me up. But he said he did a funded account as well, and that's how he got his start. I guess is it possible? Sure, at some point. But $10 into a couple million. I mean, yeah, if it's funded, sure, whatever. When you're working with their capital, yeah, you could make that happen. He didn't come back into my Discord though, so I don't know what the name of that company was. AFK girl, what's going on? Welcome to my live. Jeff Stockman, how's it going, you guys? Now, if you all can, while you're in here, if you could hit that like button, I would appreciate it. It does help out my algorithm for TikTok, so I can get other people into the room here as well. And usually 1,000 really helps keep it moving. Anything under that kind of slows me down. Ramses Alk Foof. What's going on? Welcome to my live. Currently, man, in a trade with gold, trying to catch a short. I don't know what is going on with this trade. My 20 and my 200 are just, I guess they're just going sideways here. I was expecting a decent drop here, but I don't know. This last all day today, it's just kind of been a little bit back and forth. No real solid movement like I would like. I do use the 20 and the 200 EMA and the PSAR as part of my trading strategy, as long also with the range bars here. They have crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. So there's always something to trade every day, 24 hours, 7 days a week. And then here on TradeXN, there's no fees and a low spread. So it allows me to trade with a small account, which you can do here. There is no PDT rule, as these are an offshore broker. So you can trade as much as you want. Of course, it is offshore, so always be careful with, anywhere that you do put your money. I always do say that. But I've been with this company since the site since October, and I haven't had any issues with them at all. I have put money on and off the account multiple times. I've talked to the support a couple of times, and they always answer my emails. They've always been very helpful. On top of that, too, there is an affiliate link that you can get with these as well. So if you share that, then it helps fund your account also. So it is pretty cool. It is one of the little perks to having TradeXN compared to some of the other brokers. If you would like to find out about any of this stuff, it is in the link in my bio. You'll see TradeXN. Also, you'll see the range bars here, FCT range bars as well. They are free to use. They don't cost anything. You just have to register, which is your name and your email, and that's it. And then you can use them. Looks like we're getting close to getting into profit here on gold right now. It is starting to drop, so we are shorting. So I was expecting this to continue down as the 20 and the 200 did cross. So that's what we're looking at right now. Now looks like I got 2 people in the room. Wow, quiet for sure. I know the market is now closed, but gold is still open. Forex is still open. Stocks are closed for the day. And then indices are open as well. So plenty of stuff to still trade throughout the day. Just try and catch another trade maybe before my my kids get home, and then the night starts with family. So again, we'll see how this plays out. But yeah, I'm trading gold right now and in a short position. If anybody has any questions, definitely please hit me up. I'm here to answer them. We'll see how it goes. It's just kind of going sideways right now, so it's being pretty slow. Why am I so hot right now? Jose, what's going on? Jake Owlowitz, how's it going? Jeff Stockman, Shir Shakunatala, maybe? Welcome to my live. And we are in profit on gold. It is trending down just like I was hoping it would do. I do need to make up profit from my last trade as I had to close that one out. But if this does continue like I'm thinking, then I will be in profit here for my last trade momentarily. So I'm just trading gold right now. 5 minute time frame on TradeXN. No fees, low spreads. No PDT roll either, which is awesome. And I know it doesn't take like $10,000 to start trading. You can do it a lot lower than that. You can also trade with basically with pennies to start out with. If you use the default 0.01, you trade like 50 cents per trade, so it's pretty cheap to learn how to trade. Again, that is why I use this broker. And I tried out lots of other brokers, and I didn't like a lot of the other ones. They did have a whole bunch of fees, or they only traded, futures, or crypto or stocks. But this one has crypto, stocks, forex, and indices, so there's plenty to choose from to do your trading. Yeah, looks like this bounced off of 1902. Already bounced once, bounced again. Maybe it will continue down here, but it's going to have to try to break through this again. But it looks like we do have quite a bit of a squeeze going on between now and the next hour. So I think we're just going to have a lot of sideways trend. O7NNE. The name of the broker is TradeXN. It is the link in my bio if you want to check it out. I said there's no fees, low spread. It is an offshore broker. There's no PDT rule. So you can trade as much as you want, which is awesome. So I show you the amount of trades, and I can trade and trade. This is all within 24 hours. So lots of trades. Holy moly, what's going on, Ron? NACT, what's up? Yeah, welcome to my live, you guys. And since you're all here, if you wouldn't mind hitting the screen for me a few times, if you could bump those likes up for me, I would definitely appreciate it. I like being up above 1,000 as it does help my algorithm out and it gets more people into the room so I can talk to them about using risk management when they're trading. That always entails, using 1 to 2% of your account and then always 100% putting a stop loss in place just in case the market goes against you. You know what you're going to possibly lose, the total max of that, and no more. You don't want to blow your whole entire account. So you gotta trade smart. Yeah, thanks for the likes. Yeah, definitely do appreciate that. Thank you. So I'm in a trade right now with gold. It's shorting. We're about at a half loss right now. I'm hoping this is going to continue going down. Um, Anytime you do get into a buy, there's a thing called a spread. If you guys don't know about that, and that is always basically the payment that goes to the broker. It's the difference between the buyers and the sellers. So if I'm doing like a 50-cent trades, the very first 10 cents, I'm in negative 10 cents, and that goes to the broker. And that's how they basically make their money. But once you break out of that, then you're in profit, and it can go from there. So I'm currently 50 cents down as the market is going the opposite direction of what I chose. So. Oh, but we are going pretty sideways, so even the range bars don't quite know what to think at the moment because they only move off points. So as it points go up or points go down, so will the range bars. And right now we're basically at a standstill. So this indicator really hasn't moved at the moment, just because we're just trending sideways. So Ryan Desmond, what's going on? Yeah, again, thank you guys for the likes. Do appreciate that. If anybody has any questions, please do hit me up. You can always check the link in my bio. Again, it has the links for TradeX and the range bars as well. TradingView, those are all on there. I do use TradingView also because it doesn't cost anything. They're free to use. You can get 3 indicators for free. Anything after that, you have to pay for a subscription. But even that is pretty cheap per year. So, but I'm using multiple indicators right now. Here watching gold to see what it's going to do. See, what was that called? OB liquidity sweeps. I wonder if that's on here. Let's see, OB liquidity levels. Right. Order blocks. No, I don't see it. Liquid sweeps. Liquidity. No liquidity sweeps for me. I wanted to see if I could find a certain indicator somebody gave me, but I'm not seeing it. I hope maybe it was in TradingView, but it's not. All right, so we're down back to our spread, 9 cents, 8 cents. So we're almost back into profit, like I was hoping. This would continue down. As the 20 and the 200 did cross. The one thing when it comes to trading is an absolute patience and being patient with the market. If you try and rush it, you're just going to lose your money. So you just got to wait and see how the market's going to react. You do that like by putting stop losses and stuff in place. Then you can walk away and go do other stuff. Excuse me. And then you can put a target price in too. That way, if something comes up and I leave, I know it's either going to hit my target price or a stop loss. Everybody has different opinions on what they think for stop losses. I do keep mine pretty close. Just in case, I do let it breathe a little bit for sure, because the market's going to fluctuate some as it has. If you keep it too tight, it's just going to knock you out, and you're just going to keep paying and losing your money. So you don't want to do that. You want to give it some room to breathe. But you want to try to have more of like a 1-to-3 ratio when you're trading. That's just my personal opinion. Some people do 1-to-1. You know, everybody's got their methods that work for them. But for me, I prefer at least 1-to-3. I talked to a guy the other day, and he did like 1-to-10, 1-to-20. It was just crazy. I couldn't imagine doing that much. Well, it looks like we're back in the negative a little bit here. As I said, gold is just kind of going sideways. Back in profits again, but it needs to continue down if I'm going to end up moving my stop loss. Oh man, excuse me. Yeah, currently in profit right now. But I would like some volume. That is what helps make trading work right. You need like a 45-degree angle. As I said, this decided to flatten out on me. I was at a 45. It was looking really good, and now it's flat. So if you look at all these range bars, that's exactly what they show. They're all at that 45-degree angle. That's how important it is that these indicators are even built to show that type of move. So if you're trading, definitely look at that. Look for those type of moves for sure before you enter a trade. Again, you never know what it's going to do. Like I was moving down 45 and now it went flat and went sideways, but I'm already in my trade. So now I just have to kind of wait, see if it's going to come down and get me into profit. So, like it just did there. See, just bouncing in and out. But what are you gonna do? Oh, how's everybody's day going? It is what, Tuesday? What's left of it anyway. If y'all can, if you could please hit the like button, I would appreciate that. I usually try to get over 1,000 likes. It does help my algorithm out. It allows more people to see my TikTok. And I can again always talk to them about risk management, putting in stop losses and stuff. Treating it like a business so that they don't blow their accounts. There's nothing worse than watching your hard-earned money go down the toilet. How do you stop that from happening? You put stop losses in place. You use a smaller footprint of your account that you're trading. Again, the more that you have in here, the better. That allows you to use a smaller footprint and allows you to manage your risk. It's if you have like $200,000, your less than 1% is still hundreds of dollars per trade. So you imagine making that every single day. But it doesn't take $200,000 to make trades. Then we can have $100 and still make trades. And you're able to do that because this is on TradeXN. There is no fees, and it's got a really low spread on most of these pairs. So you can trade instead of giving your money to the website. So this is currently just kind of bouncing in and out here. Aragon. What's going on? Ryan Desmond, how's it going? Jimmy Fisher, how's it going? Working progress. Welcome to my live. Again, you guys, thank you for those likes. Really do appreciate that. And so we're just in a trade right now. I'm watching gold. I'm in a short position, 5-minute time frame. Using the PSAR indicators, these are those white dots or stars, as people call them. I use the 20 and the 200 EMA as well. And then I use the range bars here up on top. Because these move off points, not time. So I'm looking just for movement. And right now it's saying that we're downtrending with a possible little pullback. But this would have to fill this bar in. It's not going to move until we get more direction from the range bars of which way that we're going. Oh, man. Now we're almost over 1,000. Getting there. Have more people in here to definitely climb faster. I think the most I've had is like 5,000 likes or something like that one day. It was really popping. I had a bunch of people in the room. It was pretty cool. But yeah, right now it's pretty dead. So we're back in profit again on gold. So this thing is just going sideways. Actually, if I look at Trading View, yeah, it's just trending sideways. Yeah, no real volume at all at this point in time. No, back out of profit again, man. This thing is just bouncing along. Little by little, that's what it takes. As I said, you never know which way the market's going to go. So if you want to get the indicators, just go to the link in my bio. And you will see FCT range bars. The link in my bio is linktree/future capital. You'll click on that, and then you'll see the FCT range bars, as well as TradeXN is the broker that I'm using. That's in there too. And then I do have, oh, that reminds me too. I'm also doing YouTube as well. So if you'd like to follow me on YouTube, I do have all of my videos from TikTok that I've been creating. I'm now adding them over there as well. So if you'd like to see all that stuff, you can. Again, the link is in my bio. I'm trying to get up to 50 followers on YouTube so that I can go live with that as well. So I would appreciate if you guys were able, if you're interested, to go to YouTube, to go to my link and follow me along there, so I can get that subscriber list up. I've been hearing a lot in the news, and they're talking about with TikTok in the United States, and they may end up, saying they're going to ban TikTok. And so I want to keep this going. I would really hate for it to stop. In order to help keep that going, I need to have those 50 followers on YouTube. And then I can still go live there. So, if you guys would like to follow me, please go down to the link and then go to my YouTube channel there. Hit the follow button. That would be really awesome of you guys, and I would appreciate it. In the meantime, we are trading gold right now, doing a short position. Hey, Richie, you're welcome. What's in here? Old popcorn. Inverted brain, what's going on? Ryan Desmond, I already said hi to you. Just watching gold right now. It's going up and down. It's not really moving anywhere. It went flat on me. Right after 1 o'clock, the market died, I guess. Is buying one full Bitcoin at 20 grand or below a good long-term investment? Yeah. I would say yes. But they are talking 12 to 15,000 for Bitcoin right now, short term. But they are saying by 2030, they do think it's going to go up to 500,000. So $20,000 into 500,000, yeah, I would say that's a great investment. So if you can wait a couple years and just let that grow, triple, quadruple, yeah, absolutely. In the long term, sure thing. But so watch the news and all that, right? Because it's saying 12 to 15,000, within this next year. Again, the whole market 2023 is going to be really bad. I have heard 2024 it's supposed to start looking better, but again, now this is financial advice. It's all for your entertainment purposes only. You do need to make all those decisions on your own. Don't take my advice. Yeah, and please, as my buddy said, please join our Discord. We do have around 30 something members right now, and growing every single day. I just started it 2 weeks ago, but we are growing rather quickly. Let's see, where are we actually at? 27, 37, 39. So it's 39 members now. So that's awesome. Definitely top so far. To say it grows every single day. So I do have a whole bunch of trading. I do have a bunch of training videos as well. In my Discord also. Where is my pull that. So if you are curious how to use the range bars and TradeXN, I did make a whole bunch of training videos on how to do all this stuff. So all you gotta do is check this out. Again, the link is in my bio. You'll see FCT Discord. Just click on that. Oh, who's the guy I asked about? Oh yeah, Joey Doozy. I don't know if you have a ledger yet, but it isn't something important that you should get, especially if you're going to look to buy a full Bitcoin, 20 grand. You want to have a ledger to protect your account. So you can move it off. If you have the keys to it, it's your crypto. If you keep it on a server, It's their crypto. They basically own it. You want to put it on your own. I ended up, I think it was $6 or something. No, $10 up, $13 up, something like that. 13. So not bad. I'll take it. You plan to buy on Robinhood? Okay. Still, um, hmm. No, she can buy Bitcoin. No, that's what she's saying. She can buy Bitcoin on Robinhood. She can. But look at the fees when you do that. And if you haven't read up the history on Robinhood, they had a while back where they kept people from making trades. Like they took the sell button away. Like completely took the sell button away. You couldn't sell your stuff if you wanted to. That was on was it AMC? Was it AMC? I don't think it was AMC. Maybe it was. But yeah, definitely be careful with the brokers that you use. For sure. So I would definitely yeah. Oh yeah. So I use Uphold as well. I do like that. But you do want to get a ledger. I do recommend a ledger. I'm trying to get my affiliate link going for it. But it's called Arculus. I will show you. So this is the card that you get. Let's show it. Right, pull out. So it's called Arculus, and you just put this card and you put on the back of your phone. After you've downloaded the app, and that's like the key. That's completely the key to your account. So if you keep it in your safe, and that's the only people who have it, and you keep your Bitcoin on your ledger until you're ready to sell it. Well, of course, Uphold takes it safe on their account. Why wouldn't they say that? I'm just letting you do your due diligence. That's why I talk about risk management. That's what I talk about on my page, here and in my Discord and all that stuff. You want to protect it. You want to have the keys to it. You want to have your password to your. That's what protects you. Yeah, that card is a ledger. Absolutely. You just have the app on your phone, but I have the security keys, the information that I keep at my house along with my card. So that card protects my account. All the money that's on it's safe. It's not on one site. So even if the site goes down, I'm still okay. Yeah, hey, thank you. I'm just spreading the information that I have. I'm already sitting here trading right now. I might as well talk to people about it. Do I think it's going to go back down? I do, yeah. That's what a lot of people are definitely saying. They think it's going to drop back down. But just watch the news. Keep your eyes on what's going on. Don't just buy without understanding what's happening. What price should you target? Well, like I said, it's people are talking 12 to 15,000. I'm just going off of what I've seen, what I've heard. But do your own due diligence, right? You don't even know me. So definitely something you just want to look into. I'd hate for you want to buy and be going up, right? You don't want to buy and then watch it go down and waiting for it to come back. That's like being a bag holder. That sucks. Is there a microchip embedded in it? I do believe so. But definitely, yeah. I just connect it to my phone, and that's all it takes. Yeah, no, I get vetting, and getting opinions, but again, they're all opinions. Nobody knows 100% what it's going to do. If they did, everybody would know where to buy in, and we'd all be rich overnight, right? The same thing with trading. That's why I talk about risk management. That's why I talk about putting stop losses in place. That's what's important because again, you don't know how the market's going to go. Like I put a trade in here on gold. My last one got knocked out. And this one, it's been trending down. Now it was sideways. And now the PSAR, the little dot here, just showed up, meaning that's going to try to go back up. more likely it's going to knock me out of my trade. That's why, again, why I put a stop loss in place. I know, okay, I don't want to lose more than $1 in my trade, so that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, so I guess, yeah, probably an AirTag, I guess. But I don't have to plug it into the computer and worry about frying it. I just keep it in my safe. Well, I'm guessing, Joey, that when you made all those purchases, that you did believe it's going to make you a good return, right? That's why you bought them. I do expect myself. I have XRP as well. I expect it to go up. That's why I bought it. I'm not going to buy it thinking it's going to go down. Why would I waste my money? Yeah, but we have to see what's the court ruling going to be. That's what everybody's waiting on right now. Yeah, and it's a banker's coin. That's exactly. When you look at the history of it, what it's for, that's huge. That's one of the biggest things, and that's exactly why I own some. I actually do need to buy some more before this court ruling is over. Just so I can catch if it does go the way that we would like, then it could be a decent run, but I'm planning on holding it for a couple of years. Um, I'm not so dumb. Hey, never said you were. I get asking people's opinion. I do. 100% I do understand. I wish this trade would do something though. Either knock me out or go down and give me some profit. I hate this sideways dullness for sure. Ugh. Yeah, it's still sitting in my box here. Just doesn't want to go anywhere. Man, oh man. Oh, it's a 1 minute time frame, so it's going up 5:15, and 1 hour says it's going short. So who knows? The court case is a lot about regulations and adoption. Yep. Yeah, thanks for following me. Do appreciate that. Again, thank you guys for helping getting that over 1,000 likes. Definitely helps my algorithm out a lot. So thank you for that. Hey, Special Agent 88, what's going on? Welcome to my live. Are you a special agent of something? Or do you just think you're special? He's special agent 626. Well, maybe we'll go back down. This thing's just going sideways. Super boring. It's hard to be exciting on a TikTok when you're not moving hardly at all. I'll just leave that. We'll go see what else is going on somewhere else because it's definitely crawling. What's Bitcoin doing? Since we're talking about Bitcoin, Bitcoin actually has some movement on the. Yeah, Bitcoin's moving. Maybe we trade Bitcoin. Da, 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 da. So that's the lower low. Let's see. So it's pretty much going sideways right now. I guess the market just got really quiet. Well, that's a bummer. Let's see what else. What about USD JPY? No, same thing. It's got to be in between times. So, hello from Greece. Awesome. Welcome. I saw some from the Netherlands earlier. Now we got Greece on board. That's pretty cool. 2000 Masa. What's going on? What time is it? 1:58. It's almost 2 o'clock my time, Pacific Standard Time, West Coast. Yeah, it looks like I might get knocked out of this trade on gold. It's just going sideways. But you never know. That's why I have a stop loss in place. I probably should put a target profit in place too, in case I need to get up and take off. I'm gonna say $2 for now. Maybe if it moves, then I'll move it down. 11 p.m. Wow, if you're like 10 hours, yeah, 10 hours ahead. NACT, what's going on? Kenny Parks, what's up? Currently trading TradeXN on TradeXN, my broker, using range bars as well as part of my trading strategy. These do move off points, not time, and they are free to use just like TradingView. What you're looking for on these for a strategy is to be going from green to red and red to green. Each one of these bars is worth about 15 points. So I trade. It's usually 50 to 100 points per trade. You can get these in the link in my bio. They don't cost anything. I just recommend them because I like to use them. These have crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. So there's always something to trade 24/7. Again, that's why I use them. So gold right now is still showing down with a possible uptrend, but we are going sideways. Though, like I said, they only move off points, not time. So if the market's trending sideways, they won't shift. Yeah, we are starting to move up towards my stop loss, so we may end up hitting $1 and knocking me out. How much more dumb, please? User 4146. Oh, how much more dump on Bitcoin? I don't know. I'm only going off of what I've heard, 100% off of what I have heard, and I have heard 12 to 15,000. And I don't know if you guys know about the Bitcoin halving. You may want to look it up. Bitcoin halving. Matter of fact, here I can show you. You guys can look this up for yourselves. There's a couple different sites, but it does show the clock of when this happens. And this is all for the crypto miners. So this, I've heard this is the last time this is going to happen. So really, if you're going to get in on Bitcoin, I would be doing it. And hold on to it till at least 2024. See, so this is the clock. It's the Bitcoin halving clock. It's got 410 days left, 22 hours, 54 minutes, and 50 seconds. It'll be having 59,173 Bitcoins. So, in the history of Bitcoin halving, the market has always gone bullish. And that's what everybody is planning on here for 2024. So, if you're going to get Bitcoin, if you're going to get coins, I would kind of recommend doing that. See, each time there has been, it's hard to see, each time that there's been a halving, the market went up. I have a halving, the market went up. I had a halving, the halving went up. So that's what we're definitely looking at for price jumps for sure. See, so each halving lowers the Bitcoin's inflation rate. The orange line is Bitcoin's inflation rate during a given period, while the blue line is the total number of Bitcoin issued. And so that's what makes that go up. Just a quick little history lesson there. So 2012, 2016, 2020. Yeah, so every 4 years. And the next one will be 2024. But there will be a point when all of the crypto will be mined, and that will be it. There won't be any more of these. Anyway, so you can check that out for yourself. Anyway, I do have a Discord, you guys. I have like 30, just almost 40 people in the room now. It's pretty new. I just had it like 2 weeks. But I do have a whole bunch of training videos on how to use TradeXN, how to use the range bars. I do have some recommended books with the psychology of trading as well. So you may want to check those out too. You will see the link for that. You'll see important books and ledgers. So just click on that, and then you can get to those books. And I do have a whole bunch of trading tips that I've written up with somebody else as well, um, on how to do all this kind of stuff, recommendations and whatnot. All that's in my Discord. The Discord is free, doesn't cost anything. I don't have any premiums to access this stuff. Every bit of it's free. So I'd love to have you guys come over to the Discord and see you there. All the members do help give information to each other as well, and just make a great place to hang out and talk about the things that we're interested in, like trading stocks, forex, indices, all that kind of stuff. So if you're interested, definitely come check it out. All right. Looks like this stock is just going sideways, so the market's pretty much dead. Oh, that's why it died. Oh, yeah, or just died. What time is it? 2. Oh, 2 o'clock. So gold's going to be dead. I forgot. It's going to be dead now for an hour. So I'm going to jump off of here. I'll probably be on again later tonight. If you like to follow along, please hit the bell so you'll know you'll be notified in TikTok. Yeah, so it's an hour. So I mean, so I'm gonna take a break. I need to go eat myself, honestly. I think I had 2 eggs today to eat, and that was it. So I should probably eat something. And have lunch. So again, hit the bell to follow. Again, come on over to my Discord, check that out. Again, the links are in my bio for TradeXN, and also for the range bars as well. So if you want to see how to use those or to sign up for them, again, just hit the link in my bio. If you have any questions, again, come on over to the Discord, and I will be able to talk to you guys there. So, hopefully, again, I will see you guys. 2 eggs, expensive big baller, yeah. Yeah, I know anymore, right? A whole 2 eggs. Oh my god. All right. So I will catch you all later. Y'all have a good day.